Hey guys, it's Mrs. Lanfear again, and this video I want to just demonstrate how to fill out the study guide and just kind of show you how it's going to be used to kind of just lead you through the class. So you'll click on the study guide link in the blue navigation bar and then click on the link to download the study guide, and it's going to look a little something like this. And I have it kind of formatted so that it'll show your responses in a red color. That way it just makes it easier for me to grade, and I can distinguish where your answer begins and the question ends. So, for instance, as you're reading through the text, this is the first section under our first unit, Planning and Organizing, and I'm reading section 1, Roles of a Webmaster. I read about what is a webmaster. Click on the arrow. It tells me a webmaster is an individual who manages a website. And if I look at my study guide, I have that same question up here on my study guide. So I'm going to type that in here as well. A webmaster is an individual who manages a website. Next question on the study guide, what are some responsibilities of a webmaster? And that's actually the next part of this section. So here's the main responsibilities of webmaster. So you will then write those into the main responsibilities of a webmaster. So as you kind of read through the text, I'll have different questions kind of pop up on the study guide just to make sure. This is basically kind of a way to help you take notes, and then you can use this to help you complete assignments and the quizzes and so on. So like this next question, why was the internet first developed in the 1980s? So as you're reading this next page, the internet was first developed in the 1980s as a way for educators to communicate and share with each other. So then you would type in your answer. Communicate and share with each other. Okay. And so I do have, if you're using Microsoft Word, I hope this comes through in OpenOffice because I know several of you use OpenOffice as well. But on the blanks, I also have some blank text boxes in there. So the next question asks about the first version of the internet. The first version of the internet were text only. It wasn't until 1993 when blank was developed that the first real image was posted on the internet. So as you're reading through and you kind of come up across that information, let's see, it wasn't until 1993 when HTML was developed. So then I go back to my study guide and I type in HTML. Okay, so you'll see that kind of text box appear for you on those blank spaces. Also in your study guide, it kind of walks you through what that next assignment is going to be. So as you're completing the study guide, it tells you, all right, so now you've reached this point in the text. Now complete this webmaster roles assignment, and kind of highlights a few things in there. Make sure you're using Notepad or TextEdit if you're using a Mac. So you'll do that assignment, get that submitted, and then move on to section 2 and fill out the study guide for section 2. So pretty easy, but it's there to kind of just help you guide you through the course, and it is a graded assignment, so make sure you're getting that turned in.